Greenland halibut rank among the world's finest edible fish species. It's appreciated for its firm, snow-white meat and delicate flavor. The Greenland halibut is a large flatfish that can reach a length of up to 120 centimeters. It lives close to the seabed in waters below 4 degrees Celsius. It can be found in the northern regions close to the Arctic and in the waters around Greenland. In the coastal fishery, the most common fishing method is longlining. It's a simple yet ingenious technique that's been passed on from father to son for generations. A long line with baited hooks is lowered to the seabed where the halibut reside. The fish is caught by the hook when it tries to eat the bait. The most common bait is capelin, a small fish which is also a natural prey of the halibut. They can be caught in season when large shoals can be lured with yogurt and scooped on board with nets. The capelin are baited on each of up to 2,500 hooks per line. Then the line is lowered and left, typically overnight. Next morning, the fisherman goes to his marker buoy and starts hauling in the line. The fish is immediately gutted and taken ashore to one of Royal Greenland's 8 halibut processing factories. In the factory, all parts of the fish are used. The heads and tails are loved in China. The frills are ideal for Japanese sushi, loins and fillets for consumers in Europe and Russia, and the carcass is cleansed of the last meat pieces for ingredients in manufacturing ready meals. At the landing factory, each box of fish is recorded with the name of the fisherman and where the fish was caught, and is given a quality evaluation. At any point, all Royal Greenland halibut can be traced back using this data. The fish is then either frozen whole in blocks or cut to consumer-ready specifications. At the filleting facilities in Uummannaq and Qasigiannguit, the fish is processed for consumer-ready products. Here, the frills are cut off by hand before being carefully packed for final processing in China. The filleting is done mechanically for the smaller fish, or by hand for the larger fish. Fillets are then hand-trimmed and sorted by weight before they're packed in one of 2 ways, interleaved or IQF. IQF stands for individually quick frozen and refers to the freezing process where the conveyor belts with fillets travel through a large freezer. Each fillet is individually frozen, glazed with a protective layer of clean water, and then packed in cardboard boxes. When packaging interleaved, the fillets are hand-packed in cardboard boxes and the fillets are separated by plastic sheets. The boxes are then quick frozen in horizontal plate freezers, packed in master bags and stored in the cold house at a temperature of -23 degrees Celsius. From here, the products are dispatched to customers across the world. Greenland halibut is enjoyed in many countries and is a delicacy in a wealth of different special meal and national dishes, from a luxury ingredient in French bouillabaisse, fried fish in China and other countries, to delicate Japanese sushi.